after the rain. The plants are so happy, guys. So nakapanglimpyo ta. It's clean and green. Hello everybody. Medyo kapoy ta kay nangguna sa palibot. Naguba na atong payag, guys. So mag-ayo na punta sa atong payag. So karon nakaanhita sa bukid kay wala tay klase the whole afternoon. So we spent like 6 hours here and then we're gonna head down. Kinaaman tay klase. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Grabe, guys. Itong mga baril diri sa bukid, puno pa ni sa tubig. Wala pa tanahot di og tubig, guys. Hello guys, we are hiking down the mountain now. We're about to reach the village. Lots of bananas around. So yeah, another beautiful day that's about to end. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.